The logical continuation after the creation of the walls is to add what we call constraints. For example, the doors, the windows, the radiators, etc. Once these are placed, you will have a better understanding on the available space of the room. A catalogue dedicated to the constraints is at your disposal. It is called Constraints. This catalogue has no brand and you can modify all the measurements at your will. In this catalogue you will find all the different constraints that we find in a general scene. Let's now put a window into our scene. So we select our type of window. This time it's a flush window. We can add and change the dimensions, the width, the depth, the height, and also the altitude of the window, which is height off the floor. For this example, we have to imagine ourselves in the room and we want to place the window on the right wall, which is this wall here. We want to imagine that it's 650 millimeters from the left hand side. So what we do is we input 650 in this input box and we drag and drop it like so. You can use this method for all your different constraints. A little trick. Let's say now we want to add a door to our scene. And with this door we want to keep it 250 millimeters away from the window. So if we input in 250 into our input box here and drag and drop our door across, except the color, the system knows the position of the window and therefore places the door 250 millimeters away.